Get acquainted with the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, electronic stability control. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.